Tokyo Disneyland. We're here to experience everything that Disney has to offer. It's really hot today. We're definitely gonna eat ice cream. All right, you guys, our first meal of the day. What are these, girls?
Mochis.
Mochis,
Vanilla,
little alien
custard,
mochis.
and strawberry.
Oh, 3 different colors. We got 2 of those, and then of course, French fries, which look crispy and delicious. And then what are these?
Soda duck. They're like sodas with this marshmallow. Look at this marshmallow.
And then I got oolong tea. Thankfully, they have the ice. I was a little afraid it was gonna be hot. Let's try that first.
You know, cheese.
It's okay. By the way, can I try one of these?
You want to try one?
Just one bite.
I'm gonna pick which one you're gonna try. Try this one.
Try
It's
this one?
chocolate. I don't like chocolate.
You don't like the chocolate one? Okay.
You don't like it.
Sorry, alien.
I'm gonna take a picture. You can try my chocolate too. The other flavors.
You know, it's almost, is it ice cream? Oh, really good. I have a feeling we're gonna eat a lot of snacks today. How do you like it?
Good. You should try Mia's too. She likes it when people try her food.
French fries. Let's see if they're crispy. I don't know. Crispy. Perfectly salty. Can I have a drink of this? Alright. Last but not least,
I know. It's
Donald Duck's what?
I think so. Oh, it's anniversary. Disney always has
There's jellies at the bottom of this. And more what?
Marshmallow. And then
Marshmallows?
Yeah, the top. That is marshmallow.
Oh
Look,
my
there's
gosh,
literally
like this.
it's a marshmallow.
Donald Duck marshmallow. Yeah, it's his birthday, right?
I think so. Probably like this.
This is totally worth it right here.
You should try
This is what? What's this, strawberry?
Strawberry.
Strawberry mochi.
There's this thing called marshmallow.
That's good. Strawberry is definitely better than chocolate. Oh. What is this, birthday cake?
Yeah.
Last one, custard. That one's good. Strawberry is the best. One of the things I've always admired about Disneyland is their flowers. As a gardener, respect. I don't even know what kind of flower that is. All of them, like literally everywhere. It's the small details that matter, I think. Our second snack of the day, soy sauce and butter popcorn. Sounds hella delicious. Oh yeah. What do you guys think?
I'm gonna get better cake.
Mel, did you try it?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
I like it.
Butter and soy sauce popcorn.
Mel, do you think they'll let me just get the bucket? How
That's
would I
kind of
say
addictive,
it?
honestly.
Can I?
Addictive. Definitely MSG in there. By the way, I just checked the price. I paid $2.76 for that popcorn, which was amazing, by the way. Soy sauce, butter, popcorn, highly recommend. How much do you think the price is in Anaheim? $6. $2.76 here. One of the benefits of going to Disneyland Tokyo is the exchange rate, at least right now, for Americans. If you make money in US dollars and spend US dollars, it's really good. I couldn't believe it. I was like, well, who spent $2.76? On top of it, there's 5 of us here, 2 adults, 3 youth, and it costs $240 for us to go into the park, compared to what? At least $500 in LA? Getting a deal right now in Japan. Last year, Mia got a popcorn box that's reusable. And the reason you want it is because when you want to buy more popcorn, you pay less to refill your box. So that's what we're looking for right now. Okay, this is her popcorn box. Not even a bag, a popcorn box. Where's the popcorn go?
No, it isn't.
Oh, I see.
No.
Only $22. You don't get free refill.
I know,
though.
but-
You have to pay $4 for the refill. Oh, no, 400 yen.
That's like $2.
Less than $2.
That's not that bad.
Less than $2.
Let's go now.
That's the deal because we're gonna eat a lot of popcorn between the 5 of us and all the flavors. We still have curry. We have caramel. That one was white chocolate matcha. Are you serious?
Yeah, maybe.
Cool. First, we're gonna get curry popcorn. Can you open that door up for me too? Let's see this curry popcorn. Ooh, can I try one?
Yeah. That's what we've been waiting for. What?
I like it. Thank you, baby. If you got lots of kids, get one of these things. You get double the popcorn with
Here,
each
let me
one of
show how much. Like, look at this is curry popcorn, but it fills to the top, but we ate a lot.
And here in Japan, Disneyland sells probably about 6 maybe 8 different flavors of popcorn, which is really cool. Savory popcorn too.
How cute. There's 4. Yeah.
Miniature mango sundae,
Okay.
miniature mixer or soft drink.
Thank you. So this is a mango milk soft serve on top of a whole bunch of mango.
And then apple juice, right?
I don't
What's the
know.
red
And then I got mango milk sundae.
Oh, you stole mine.
Very good. Maybe one of the best desserts here. Do you guys like that milk ice cream?
Yeah, I like
It's
the
not vanilla.
I don't like milk.
That's like a thing. Here, let me see. In Japan, they have milk soft serve. Let me try, baby.
It's good to get that shit. It's gonna be weird, but it's not bad at all.
Yeah, thank you. I brought a bottle from the hotel. There's all these water fountains everywhere. Pretty good water. Nice and cold, and it's free. Probably water bottles are pretty cheap too here. Okay, so we're in a snack shop right now, and I didn't think that much of it, but there's some really cool snacks. What is this? Just
Lollipops.
oh,
just lollipops.
those are
For Leah and
perfect for the
Bella.
little ones. One of the cool things about this shop, it shows you an example of what's in the snack because the box isn't really clear. Like this. What is this? A corn snack? A matcha milk corn snack. Look at this. Here's a little example of what it is. That's cool. I saw this and got confused. I thought it was big cans of tomato, but no, it's a tomato snack. Kind of tomato crispy. Got a Woody and Jessie and alien snack thing. Looks like a cross between goldfishes and animal crackers. Osembe, which is just a rice cracker. This is probably the coolest thing I've seen. This is a box of assorted furikake, which is
Look at all the different designs.
rice toppings, so that's cool. Baymax marshmallows. See, I just never see anything like this in the States. This is just dried mango, but it's in a cool little baggie. Lilo and Stitch themed, very appropriate. Pineapple and mango. A Mickey cookie? Or what is this? Castella cake with strawberry
I'll show you
filling.
the
That sounds
filling
hella
is
good. That's cool that they show you what it looks
Yeah,
like.
it's really cool
I
that
bet
they
you this
show
is really good. Winnie the Pooh little cookie. Winnie the Pooh Madeleines. And the packaging is what's cool. Makes sense because in Japan, when you gift a snack even or fruit, it has to be in a fancy box. So this is perfect. We even got apple pies here. They break it down for you. That's cool, but it comes in this very, very fun box. Minnie and Mickey cookies.
This one's cute.
Sugar cookies, looks like.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if this is what I think it is, but it looks just like a Kit Kat. This is similar to a Kit Kat. Strawberry, chocolate, I guess caramel, maybe coffee, and then matcha. So churros have been popping up everywhere. They have
what Hina
churro
got.
snacks. Oh, you got this? Cool, it comes in a really tall box.
Yeah, she did.
I kind of want the real thing though when I eat churros. Looks like osembe again, and the little clip has probably plastic osembe. More churro snacks. And these ones are shaped like Mickey ears.
The other one was too.
Oh, the other one was? Kiro found the coolest thing.
Actually, Mel
This
bought
is
one of
an
these.
alien box. But look, it's alien ramen.
But Timo bought that. Yeah, I was gonna say
Okay, I know. And then underneath, they've got Mickey, or no, this got, what is it? Chippendales
Bear.
or Country Bear. They got Country Bear curry. Guessing it's just a sauce, no rice included. Tomatoes must be really popular here because they didn't even have a tomato soup over here. So right now it's, I believe, the 50th anniversary, or it's the anniversary of Donald Duck. But these are Donald Duck mochis. This is Donald Duck
I think it's like-
chocolates. This is really cool. It's a really nice tin, very Japanese with Mickey and Minnie, old school, and it's got osembe in it. The girls thought this was furikake. It's not. It's called ochazuke, which is basically like a wet rice, like a porridge, and they have the whole pack here. It comes like that, and then what you do is you throw that into the rice and pour hot water on it, and then you got ochazuke. You got honey chips. Is this apples? Oh yeah, it's apples. Dried apples. That's pretty funny. Mr. Potato wedges.
Oh, they're like really crispy.
Yeah, definitely the coolest Pocky I've ever seen. Little Pocky sticks shaped like Mickey ears. That's really cool, especially for a Pocky lover. It's a Baymax hamburger.
Look at this.
Interesting. We're back on Main Street and we're gonna look for something to eat. Hokusai. This is a legit Japanese restaurant, and I went here last year. So this place, I think, is one of the only places that has proper Japanese food. So you're talking tonkatsu, chirashi, which is basically lots of different sushi on rice. And my sister got tempura, so they have tempura if you're into that. They even have a kids curry. So really good place if you're into Japanese food. And my favorite reason, right here, draft beer.
What other rides are there?
Oh, yeah. Wow. All right, so the tonkatsu came pretty quickly and it's very crispy. Wow. Mia got the curry, which looks really good. Smells really good.
ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
こちらだし醤油。
はい。後で or
Yes, yes.
今
Eh,
今
ah,
後で Ah, my preference.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
はい。ありがとう。
ありがとうございます。
Well, got the tempura, which is legit here. How is it, girls? Really good?
This is actually really good.
What's a curry, baby? It's good. There's no meat in that. Isn't that interesting? Side dishes. This is called gobo or kimpira. It's carrots and gobo root. I've made this in the past. This little jelly fruit salad thing. It's got a cute Mickey Mouse mochi, I guess. And then this egg has some kind of soy sauce that you put on top of the chirashi. And then it's very common to eat this dish with some wasabi. And then almost every meal always comes with some miso. No tofu. Or there's tofu. That's a different kind of tofu. Fried tofu. Oh yeah. Okay, tell me this ain't the cutest thing ever. Here's my chirashi. But look at this. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? It's got Mickey Mouse on there. Mickey Mouse is printed on there. There's some salmon here. Ikura, which is, I think, salmon eggs or fish eggs. Scallops. And I think this is toro. Negiri toro? I don't know. And underneath is a shiso leaf, which is actually one of my favorite herbs in Japanese cooking. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat it like this. Another reason why I like this dish, it's not plain rice in here. It's like a seasoned rice. Arigatou gozaimasu. Gotta have more beer. That's awesome. Let's try the rice. Look at that.
You like this one better, right?
So good. Try some of this salmon. At Disneyland, I'm eating sashimi or chirashi. That's legit. This is really good. This you would get at any restaurant, honestly. This time, I'm gonna try it with a little bit of wasabi this time. And get this white fish. I don't know what it is. Has some potent wasabi. Oh, that went up my nose. That's so strong. Wasabi hits different here. Okay, shrimp now. I'm gonna get a little umi. Yeah, because of the wasabi. That's funny. I'm gonna eat some of this wasabi with the shrimp. More wasabi on this total. Yes, you can eat this leaf. It's very good. It's called shiso. Right there. Crazy, I'm in Disneyland right now. So I didn't notice this, but underneath, pickled radish. Very common, very refreshing. That's good. Normally it's yellow, but they're probably not using some kind of food coloring. This is bomb. Seriously, this is bomb. I love the crunch of the daikon, pickled daikon, which is pickled radish. All right, so I'm gonna take this wasabi, put it right on. Last time I did not do this, but I'm gonna take this egg. This is an onsen tamago. It's very light, fluffy, cloudy, silky. Put it right on. Oh my gosh, look at that egg yolk. It looks like raw egg, but it is slightly cooked. It's not fully cooked.
I like rice.
So bomb.
Honestly, take your time. 'Cause we don't
I know
eat
I
right
keep
now.
saying bomb, but it is. It's delicious.
You want rice?
Oh my gosh.
You want to just pay with the cash I have?
Something about egg yolk with raw fish, seasoned rice, and that hint of wasabi, like the kick that comes there. You like the fish eggs? Go ahead, try it. It's like slightly seasoned. You know the egg that I put onto gyudon? It's called onsen tamago. Similar, not quite poached though.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
This girl has loved fish eggs since she was really little. You can eat as much of that if you want. Can I have your last tonkatsu? I've been eyeing that this whole time. Okay.
I don't know if you would want to put that in.
Crispy tonkatsu at Disneyland.
It's really
Well, go. That's bomb.
Do this.
Very flavorful. This whole time, I didn't see this soy sauce packet. Would have been good to have this. That was still good even without the soy sauce. Last thing we're gonna eat is this kimpira, gobo root, and carrots. I used to make this back in the day. I haven't in a long time. I should make it for the girls. This is really good. Nice little enhancement to your meal. Very flavorful. This is our 4th or 5th popcorn stop. Milk chocolate popcorn. Huh. Are you guys gonna be done with popcorn after this, or do you still want to taste more?
I'm sure.
You're not sure?
Black pepper.
Want black pepper?
Pottage.
Corn pottage. Okay. All right, try it.
My hands look really weird, but
How is it? I'll try one, but I got some gum. Not a fan, but I'm also eating minty gum right now. This is called an omelet cake. An omelet cake with custard and pineapple inside and what looks like frosting. Teriyaki chicken on a Chinese bun with egg. A fried egg. Fried fish on a Chinese bun. Cheese and tomato. And then a Mickey Mouse pizza. And back there, just a straight sausage just laying there. Okay, another popcorn stand. This time, corn pottage popcorn. Looks kind of greasy. How's it, baby?
It's like sweet and
It's sweet? Okay, I'm gonna throw away my gum for this. Corn pottage is corn soup. Popular here in Japan. Yeah, it's really sweet, but a hint of savoriness right at the end there. That sugar right on the front, get the saltiness at the end.
Like slightly sweet.
Wait, I was
Yeah.
corn flavored corn.
Oh yeah. Crazy. Corn flavored popcorn. Wow. Okay, I've been eyeing this for a while. This is an interesting snack. So this is inari. Normally has rice in it. This one has a sausage in it. So we're gonna try it. I can let Auntie Mel have the first like she likes inari. Oh, is there rice in it?
There is rice.
And a sausage?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Is it good? Ice cream.
The sausage is cold, so
It's cold? Weird.
I just want the sausage to be warm.
Yeah.
But other than that, I like it.
Okay, here, let me try it.
okay. I was just joking.
It's got a Japanese style sausage in it. Kind of nice that this is cold though because it is really warm right now. That's actually pretty good.
Jimmy, is it good?
Here, let me see the inside real quick.
Yeah, so cool.
I like it.
No?
It's good. Hi guys. It's a 5 out of 5.
Okay. All right, so this is a Bayomax shaved
Baymax
ice
Daddy.
with mango and some kind of tea jelly. What is this? So instead of a turkey leg, they got a teriyaki chicken leg. Interesting.
Is it good? Do you like it?
Is it marinated? Teriyaki chicken leg. Would that taste like a marinated turkey thigh? Last of the snacks, melon bread. Let me see that. How is it? I'll try it. Go ahead, try it. I'll stay here, Mom. Real good. You girls have fun today?
Yeah, so
Much fun.
We got a lot done. We ate a lot, yeah. We tried a lot.
We had 5 flavors of popcorn.
Oh yeah, that was actually one of the highlights for me. So we're gonna go. Got to beat the crowds because it gets crazy. Anyways, time to leave. Tokyo Disneyland. 10 out of 10.